Look at this view. Imagine yourself living in a beautiful atrium under the glass windows. And underneath is a beautiful garden. Welcome to Botanika Nature Residences. I'm Jana, and I'm your host for today's video tour. Botanika Nature Residences sits on 1.55 hectares of land and has 3 towers, one being complete, and this is where we're standing right now. It has 12 floors and plus a penthouse, a lower penthouse, and an upper penthouse. Botanika is situated in a very prime spot. You are very near schools such as De La Salle Zobel, FEU Alabang, and Paref Woodrow School. So FEU Alabang is just an 8-minute walk. And there are also shopping malls nearby. There is Festival Mall Alabang, there is SM South Mall, ATC, and SNR, also South Supermarket. So for your shopping needs, you are covered right here. For hospitals, you have Hospital ng Muntinlupa, you also have RITM, and Asian Medical Hospital Center. For entertainment, you have Alabang Country Club and the Palms Golf Country Club. The Palms Country Club is just 3-minute walk away, and if you are a member of that, you have access right from inside this condominium.
Before the tour, here are some details about this condo unit. It has a floor area of 137 square meters, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 powder room, wet and dry kitchen, maid's quarters with its own bathroom, balcony, and 2 parking slots. The price and our contact information will be posted in the description down below, so make sure to check that out.
Alright, so we will be touring now the BERDE unit that we will show you today. Welcome to this gorgeous space. First, let's go on over to our right, where the powder room is located. So over here you have a large sink, and here a solid synthetic countertop, and behind the door you have your toilet. And over on this side is the living room, but we'll get to that later. So let's go first to the kitchen. So you have here in this kitchen, beautiful quartz countertop with a very deep sink and lots of storage. And over here by the door, near the door and near the kitchen is your intercom system. Now over here behind your pocket door, you have your dirty kitchen. Well, it's not really dirty because it's still as beautiful as your kitchen back there. So in here, you have double sinks and they are deep sinks. So it's really very nice to wash dishes here, and it's really comfortable. And you also have cupboards here which have light in them, as well as you have an exhaust here. So this is where your oven will go. So you have provision for that, and you also have a provision for your refrigerator right over here. All right, so over on this side you have, I'm guessing this is the utility closet. So let's leave it there for now because it's closed. But in here you have your maid's quarters. So it's pretty spacious for maid's quarters too, in a condo, mind you. So In here, you also have, of course, since it is maid's quarters, it has a bathroom of its own. So you have your toilet and shower. So there. So let's now head on to the living space of this condo. And I will tell you, it is so huge in here. It is 137 square meters after all. If you can see over here, you have a Mitsubishi air conditioning system. It's also included in the sale, as well as the 60 by 60 ceramic tiles. So this is a part of the bare unit. Also, there are sprinklers up here and smoke detectors. All right, so let me show you this gorgeous, huge balcony. So over here, you have a site of your country club to my right. And also you have greeneries everywhere. And not just that, you are near nature as well as the city. So to my left is the greeneries and to my right is the city. So it's a mix of both. You are in both worlds. So that is really wonderful to have in such a place. This is a premier spot after all. So now let's head on over to the bedrooms. Let's check them out. So after the living room, you have the hallway to your 2 bedrooms here. So let's go first to the first bedroom. So as you can see, it is very spacious. And if you look down here, you can see engineered wood, which comes with a condo. And also this split type Mitsubishi aircon. So you have provisions here for your outlets. I think this is more for the table. This is where your bed goes. So over here is closet, a huge closet for all your clothes. So it also comes with the unit. But of course, there is a bathroom in this room, in the first room. So let's go to the bathroom. So as you can see, the counter has the same material as the one in the powder room. And it also has a deep sink. And then also, here's your toilet and your shower. And your shower is actually a telephone shower. And this is tempered glass. So now let's head on to the master bedroom. So here is the master bedroom. Again, you can find here your engineered wood. You have outlets for your TVs and for your nightstand, so you have them already here. And it also, of course, includes the split type air conditioning system. And in this unit, particular unit, you have a view of your country club. Let's now go to the bathroom of the master bedroom. So the bathroom is located just here near the entrance of the master bedroom. So this is your master bath. As you can see here, you also have closets already included in the condo. So you have a couple of double door closets here and one more closet at the back of the door. And then over here, you have double vanity. And here you have your toilet and your rainfall shower. It also has a telephone shower, actually. And of course, it's also made of tempered glass. So that is the full tour of our BERDE unit. Now, we will show you what this unit could be. Hi, so we are now here in the unit that has been interior designed. So this is our powder room to the right again. So you have here shelves underneath, so that's one thing added, but it looks phenomenal even with the BERDE unit. So you have here the counter and the tiles all over. So even with just the BERDE unit, it looks really fine. So again, the toilet is at the back, and over here into the living space, you have here, as you can see, they turned this into a dining area. And there's lots of storage too, so you have an option to put in lots of storage here. And also behind this glass. So here. So it's amazing what you can do with this space. It is so large. So over here you have the living room. And again, lots of storage here. And you can also display your decoratives here. And a space for your TV and your couch. As you can see here, this is not your ordinary two-seater couch. This is a long couch. So this space is really enormous for a condo, right? So over here again, the balcony. Shall I show you the view from this floor? All right, so from this floor, this is floor 3. You can see you have a view of the children's playground. So if you have children, you can definitely just watch them from over here, the balcony. And you have lush greeneries all around. And it is a spacious balcony too, because look at this. You have not just 1, 2, 3 chairs, and you can absolutely add more. So now let's head on over to the kitchen. So here in the kitchen, as you can see, they have removed the wall here to put up a mini bar counter. But, you know, it's basically the same, so they didn't really do much to it, except for, of course, you added a mini bar counter over here and some glass shelves over here. So in here, this is the dirty kitchen, and you have the refrigerator here. The provision, there's an outlet at the back, so the refrigerator can be placed there. And this is your dirty kitchen with a dual sink and the range or cooktop with the exhaust. So in here, this is the same as the BERDE unit. This is the maid's quarters with the bathroom. So now let's head on over to the bedrooms. So as you can see in this hallway, they put some lovely painting and lush greens. It is so pretty, and it's so great that you have space for putting these designs because this is a large unit. Down the hall, you have your 2 bedrooms. Over to my front is the first bedroom. Over to my right, you can see first the bathroom of the first bedroom. So you can see this is how it looks like. And then over here is your bedroom. And as you can see, they only added this. It's a table. And then there's also the bed here. So imagine how you would fix your furniture when you own the place. And over here, they had a lovely idea. They added pads to the closet. They also changed the color of the room. Now let's head on over to the master bedroom. So upon entry, again, you have your bathroom here. Again, with a lovely design, you can definitely make your space like this. Also here, your dual vanity. I think they also added shelving here, like in the powder room. They also added this, so that's a nice idea. And again, your shower is over here. So here in the bedroom, if you can see, this whole wall is like an accent wall. Their design is actually very elegant, so you can turn your space into something like that. So in the master bedroom, you can definitely fit a queen size bed in here. And you have space for 2 side tables from on your left and right, and you have also outlets or provisions for the side tables. And the table is here for when you do your office work. So they also placed a TV here. And then over here is your view from the master bedroom. So now that ends our tour for today, and if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.